Celine Dion is a Canadian-born singer who has been a legend in her own time due to her songs that captured the imagination of people across the continents. She is a world singing sensation. She is believed to be the second highest earning musician in history. Early life. Selіne Marіe Slaudette Dіon was born on 30th March 1968 at Sharlеmаgnе, Quebec, Canada. Her father Adhemar Dіon and mother Therеże Dіon were musicians. Celine was the youngest of her 14 siblings. The family formed a singing group and Celine Dion was 5 years old when she performed in a piano bar of her parents. Age, height and weight. Being born on 30 March 1968, Celine Dion is 53 years old as of today's date, 21st February 2022. Her height is 1.71 meter tall and her weight is 65 kg. Career. When Celine Dion was 12 years old, she caught the attention of Rennie Ingeli, a music producer who signed her with the condition that she will work for him. She became well known very fast and when she was 18, won Felix and Juno Awards, the Canadian equivalent of Grammy Awards and Achievements. 1993 Grammy Award for Best Pop Performance for Beauty and Best. 1998 Chicago Film Critics Association Award the Titanic music from the motion picture Best Origin Score. 1999 Grammy Award for Song of the Year My Heart Will Go On. 1999 Juno Award Album of the Year Let's Talk About Love. 1999 Canada's Walk of Fame inducted into Canada's Walk of Fame. 2000 Japan Gold Disc Awards All the Way, a decade of songs International Pop Album of the Year. 2008 World Music Award World's Best Selling Canadian Artist of the Year. 2014 CBC Music Awards Artist of the Year. 2014 Hollywood Walk of Fame Star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Net worth and salary. As of February 2022, Celine Dion's net worth is estimated at $900 million. From 2000 to 2010, she dominated the world music scene. Her net worth increased from her income from the ticket, records and merchandise sales. She is also a real estate businesswoman, having several properties around the world. She sold her cubic island estate for $29.7 million in 2014. Her more expensive Jupiter Island, Florida estate is also put up for sale. Celine Dion has a music in her genesis. She belongs to a family whose every member is related to music. Her legacy is born talent and ambition, coupled with a strong will to succeed, made her a legendary singer not merely of her country but the world. She is a noted philanthropist concerned with the well-being of underprivileged. She supports numerous charities and foundation helping poor, and also foundation research and control of serious diseases.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.